Snowboard.
Snowboard?
Really? Our Santa really knew what we wanted. Whoa! Your first one!
I
Wow.
have a rope. Now let me see if it fits me anyway. Fits me.
Alright, let's have a look at Mama. Let's see if we can. Where's Mom? Yeah, wow, that is so neat. Can you go snowboarding in your bare feet?
No. Get back in 12 o'clock.
You'll be back in at 12 o'clock? Okay.
What time is it now? It's 10:20.
What?
It's 10:20.
That's an hour and 40 minutes.
I guess he likes his present.
I think so. There he goes. He's doing it. Way to go, Ty. Whoa, good going, Ty.